Happy 3-month birthday, Layton Grace. It's March 2nd, 2011, and you're 3 months old today. You are starting to talk so much. You're telling us stories every day and getting so big. Hi, baby. You want to say hi to the camera? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Yeah? Yeah? Oh my goodness. Yeah? Look at you. Is that right? Oh. Yes, that's right. That's right. Well, happy birthday, sweet girl. We love you.